I got love cars from my father. My father's always been in the car industry his entire life. Following those footsteps, I saw how successful he was in the auto industry, and I thought, why can't I do the same field? Never had like a minivan or like a family caravan. Always had something kind of cool because of my dad. My dad was just a huge car guy, and that kind of left the impression on me. And it's great, yeah, it totally brought us closer together. What made me choose Ferris State was the program here. I had a love for business, but always had the passion for vehicles and cars. So here at Ferris Automotive Management, I have business and management all in one degree.
Students can expect a unique experience of technical background combined with management skills. So the first 2 years of the program are a basic 2-year auto service technology degree that can be taken here at Ferris State University, or it can be transferred in from another institution such as a community college. After those first 2 years, they move into the management realm of the industry where they're learning about, one, how to manage the shops, how to handle parts procurement, how to handle warranty relations. So this program is really for students that have that desire to keep their hands on the iron a little bit, as we say in the industry, but yet also be able to work with their soft skills to be able to help others, manage others, and really become leaders. That's really what we're talking about.
I'm president of AMSO, the Automotive Management Organization. Our goal is to kind of help kids get jobs after college, bring them into the auto world. I got my internship with Toyota through Ferris at the career fair just because we had a connection with Toyota. The guy came in, explained, hey, this is my position with AMSO and whatnot, and then 4 interviews and seemed like 3 case studies later, I finally landed it. But yeah, it was because of that Ferris connection I had got the opportunity to have that position.
This program doesn't put you in a box. This program really allows you to stretch out and look at a number of industries, a number of roles within those industries, and really find career success in any pathway that you want to take.
What makes me nerd out is I can talk about things that don't feel like a job. I come to class every day, it doesn't feel like I'm going to class. I enjoy what I do here, working on cars, doing the data analysis behind cars, and also how versatile the automotive field is. There's only about 2 schools in the country that offer automotive management, and being from Indiana, with how close it was, just made sense for me to come here to Ferris.